Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we're gonna see how we can control our PC with our mobile phone. So this can be very helpful for you, like if you want to have any data which is in your PC and you are far away from your PC, you can easily get access to your PC with your mobile phone. And by mistake, if you forget to shut down your PC, then you can even do that. So let's start with the video without any delay. So if you're using a Dell laptop, then you can easily connect your mobile phone with your laptop using the Dell Mobile Connect application. You just have to install the application in your mobile phone and it is ready to go, but it has some limitations. So for the second way, you can use Chrome Remote Desktop. So first of all, open Google Chrome on your PC and simply search Chrome Remote Desktop. When you will open it, a page like this will appear, and here on this page simply click on Access to my computer. A new page will open with a pop-up message for installation of remote application. If you won't get this notification, simply click on the download button, and then a new page will open, and on this page you simply have to click on Add to Chrome, and now again click on download button and the download will start. After the completion of the process, simply install it. Now after the installation, you have to name your desktop, click on next, and here you have to create a pin. Simply create a pin and click on start. Now on your mobile phone, download the Chrome Remote Desktop application and log in with the same account which you have on your PC, and then on the home page you will find the same device. Simply select it and enter the pin which you created. Now you will have the full control of your PC on your mobile phone. As you can see here, I am performing a small task of opening Audacity, and you can see how easily you can control your PC with your mobile phone. So this was the way by which you can control your PC with your mobile phone. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.